So hi everyone, and this is a tutorial on how to map an area and test the navigation for Third Eye for All. So first, let's open the app. So this is what the app should look like once it's got the update. So first, give all the permissions it needs.
Initializing. Find location access permission not given. Initializing. Loading main mode.
Once it's done initializing, it should ask for your address. If it doesn't, that means it either wasn't able to access your current location and address, or it only found one address and took that. If it does find more than one addresses, it will tell you those addresses by an index. And when it finishes telling you, you have to double tap the screen, and once the voice pop-up comes up, you have to say number and then the index of the correct address. That's all you have to do.
Path
Now
clear.
ignore whatever it's telling
Did
you
not download data from
and double
servers.
tap the screen, and once it asks you where do you want to go, say scanner mode,
Path
right?
clear.
This is scanner mode. Here I can manage all the paths I've created and upload or download them. So here, this is called the path setting mode. It's open by default. So I can create a new path, say for example bathroom, right? And click on the new button. Now if you want to delete any paths, just click on the X button next to the name. So it'll show me a warning, but I don't have any anchors associated with this, so I can delete this path. Okay, now let's just create that again. And to select these paths, click on the name. That's all. You'll see the check mark next to it. Now let's go to the edit mode. So just click on the edit path button. Now here I can create or delete paths, creating with the plus button and deleting with the minus button. Now anchors are basically the structure of the path, right? A path is basically made up of these anchors. So here I can also enter the description, which will be an explanation of the nearby environment for the user. So I'll say there is a couch to your left and another one to your right. There is a couch to your left and another one to your right. Now I can create an anchor. Make sure it's facing the direction you expect the user to be facing. So here, if I turn here, I can create another anchor. So I'll say there's a couch to your left and one behind. Okay, click on that. I'll just create this different anchor with, say, I leave this empty so that I can show you what will happen if you don't enter a description or the metadata for the anchor. Okay, so this is our basic path. So we can go to path setting mode. You can create as many paths you want. They can be of whatever length. Of course, they'll depend on the area and the destination. So you can add more paths if you want. So now I'll click on the upload button. And it should start uploading these paths, right? Now, if your phone gets overheating notification like I did, it's recommended to leave it off for a bit, and then once it's cooled down, start doing this again. Because if it overheats too much or for a long amount of time, it can crash, and that can lead to you losing data, right? So now that my path is done uploading, I can go to navigation mode by simply clicking this button,
Loading main mode.
and there we go. The scanning step
Unknown
is done.
status. Initialized. Double tap the screen to start path assistance.
Now
clear.
it'll start the path assistance. So once it says initialize, double tap
Path
the
clear.
screen to start path assistance. Obviously, double tap the screen and then say whatever is the name of your path, right?
Path.
So this is a path that we created. Now it should start telling you the directions to the destination. But first, let's see what our description of the environment is. To do that, just triple tap the screen. And then it should tell you that. Here I have muted the app because, well, it'll interrupt me while I'm talking, so that's a bit annoying. But yeah, when I go forwards here, it'll tell me to turn, right? See? So, and let's hear the description here. So there's a couch to your left and another one behind. Yeah, as expected. Now this anchor didn't have a description. So let's see what it says. It says no description found for the current position. So that's what happens if you don't enter any descriptions. If I go forward, it'll say destination reached. And that's all about how to map an area for Third Eye for All and test if it works.